I saw a cool thing online the other day on how to make your own crystal clear ice cubes. So let me show you how it's done, and then I'll show you how I figured out how to make them cylindrical. So first, a little science. In tap water, there's air in the water. And when you put your ice cube tray in the freezer, it freezes from all directions, from the top, bottom, and sides. The air gets trapped in the center, and that's how we end up with ice cubes like this. And some of you may be saying, why not use reverse osmosis water or distilled water? I did, and here's tap water, distilled water, and reverse osmosis water, and they all freeze the same. Let me give you another example, then you'll understand. On a freshly frozen lake, you'll notice how clear the ice is. When a lake freezes, you have cold air on top. Underneath, the planet is warmer, so the ice freezes at the top and works its way down, forcing the air and minerals in the water downward. This is why the ice ends up being perfectly clear. A cooler will achieve the same thing perfectly. It'll freeze from the top down just like in a lake. Just remove the lid, fill it with water about an inch from the top, and place it in your freezer for 17 hours. And to get the same results, your freezer should be at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. If you want one of these cheap little coolers, I'll have it linked below under Show More. Pick a good spot to do this. It can get a little wet. I use a doubled up thick beach towel and a thin cutting board. Have a Ziploc bag ready, and a knife with teeth like this works quite well. It's now been 17 hours, take your cooler out of the freezer. Now just flip it over and wait. At this point, just be patient, and between 5 and 10 minutes, this will happen. There's still some water in there, and this part's the clear ice. Use the knife to cut off the excess. This is where this serrated knife works really well. The teeth on it help the knife jump up and down and fracture the ice. As the frost clears on the surface, you can see how perfectly crystal clear they are. To make them cylindrical, it took me some time, but I was able to find some food-grade 1.5-inch pipe. If you want to get some of this pipe, I'll have it linked in the description below. I then cut a bunch of lengths to 5.5 inches. And 12 of them will fit into this little cooler perfectly. And now add water until it's about 3/4 of an inch below the top of the pipe. And then same as before, put it in the freezer for 17 hours. And if you want to go smaller, you can use this 1-inch water pipe. And here's a small tip that I learned from doing this experiment. If you want to prevent this, just let your ice rest in a cup for 2 minutes or more and it won't pop and crack. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the dinger to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.